Q. What is a semi-truck accident? A. A semi-truck accident is a collision involving a large truck or trailer, often resulting in significant damage and injuries. Q. What causes semi-truck accidents? A. Common causes include driver fatigue, speeding, distracted driving, improper loading, and mechanical failures. Q. Why should I hire a semi-truck accident attorney? A. A semi-truck accident attorney has specialized knowledge and experience in handling cases involving large commercial vehicles and can help you get the compensation you deserve. Q. What types of compensation can I receive? A. Compensation may include medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, property damage, and in some cases, punitive damages. Q. How long do I have to file a claim? A. The statute of limitations varies by state, but it is usually between 1 and 3 years from the date of the accident. Q. Can I sue the trucking company? A. Yes, you can sue the trucking company if their negligence contributed to the accident. Q. What if the truck driver was an independent contractor? A. You can still sue the trucking company if they were responsible for the driver's actions or if the driver was inadequately trained or supervised. Q. What if I was partially at fault for the accident? A. You may still be able to receive compensation, but it may be reduced based on your percentage of fault. Q. Do I need to go to court? A. Not necessarily. Many cases are settled out of court, but if a settlement cannot be reached, your case may go to trial. Q. How much does it cost to hire a semi-truck accident attorney? A. Most semi-truck accident attorneys work on a contingency basis, meaning they only get paid if you win your case. Q. What should I do immediately after a semi-truck accident? A. Seek medical attention, report the accident to the police, gather evidence such as photos and witness statements, and contact a semi-truck accident attorney. Q. Can I file a claim if my loved one was killed in a semi-truck accident? Yes, you can file a wrongful death claim on behalf of a loved one who was killed in a semi-truck accident. Q. How long does it take to resolve a semi-truck accident case? A. It varies, but most cases are resolved within 1 to 2 years. Q. What if the trucking company denies liability? A. Your attorney will gather evidence to prove the trucking company's liability and negotiate on your behalf. Q. Can I sue the manufacturer of the truck or its parts? Yes, you can sue the manufacturer if a defect in the truck or its parts contributed to the accident. Q. What is the difference between a lawsuit and a claim? A. A claim is a request for compensation, while a lawsuit is a legal action taken against a defendant. Q. Can I file a claim against my own insurance company? Yes, you can file a claim against your own insurance company if you have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Q. What if the truck driver was under the influence of drugs or alcohol? A. You may be entitled to additional compensation if the truck driver was under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Q. Can I file a claim against the government if the accident was caused by poor road conditions? A. It depends on the circumstances, but in some cases, you can file a claim against the government for poor road maintenance. Q. How can I prove the truck driver's negligence? A. Your attorney will gather evidence such as the police report, witness statements, and expert testimony to prove the truck driver's negligence. Q. What if the trucking company claims I was at fault? A. Your attorney will gather evidence to prove your case and counter any claims made by the trucking company. Q. Can I sue multiple parties? A. Yes, you can sue multiple parties if their negligence contributed to the accident. Q. What documents do I need to file a claim? A. You will need medical records, the police report, photographs of the accident scene, and any other evidence that supports your claim. Q. What if the truck driver fled the scene? A. Your attorney will work with the police to locate the driver and hold them accountable. Q. Can I file a claim if I was a passenger in the vehicle? Yes, you can file a claim if you were a passenger in a vehicle involved in a semi-truck accident. Q. How can I find a reputable semi-truck accident attorney? A. You can search online, ask for recommendations from friends or family, or contact your local bar association for a referral. Q. Can I file a claim if the accident happened while I was working? A. Yes, you can file a claim even if the accident happened while you were working. Q. What if the trucking company offers me a settlement? A. Consult your attorney before accepting any settlement offers from the trucking company. Q. Can I appeal if I am not satisfied with the outcome of my case? A. Yes, you can appeal if you are not satisfied with the outcome of your case. Q. What if I have pre-existing injuries? A. You can still file a claim, but the defendant may argue that your injuries were not caused by the accident. Q. What if the truck driver does not have insurance? A. You can file a claim against your own insurance company if you have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Q. Can I file a class action lawsuit? A. It is unlikely, as most semi-truck accident cases are unique and do not involve a large group of plaintiffs with similar claims. Q. What if the truck was carrying hazardous materials? A. You may be entitled to additional compensation if the truck was carrying hazardous materials. Q. Can I sue the shipping company? A. It depends on the circumstances, but in some cases, you may be able to sue the shipping company. Q. Do I need a lawyer to file a semi-truck accident claim? A. It is highly recommended to have a lawyer who specializes in semi-truck accidents to help you with your claim.